you're not drinking any detoxifying or skin glow juices in 2025, because what are you even doing? Bakithi angisabingelelanga. Yeah, sanibona umakoti wasiwulizi lona, and today I want to show you how to make a skin glow juice with just 5 ingredients. So uzodinga ucarrot, ulamula, beetroot, apple, as well as ginger. Kanti-ke futhi uma ukuthi orange unalo, you can also add or even turmeric powder, ebese ufaka blender yakho and add a cup of water. But if you're using a juicer, then you don't have to add water. Otherwise, you're gonna blend until it looks like this. After blending, uzobe usebenzisa-ke isefo ukuze uyicwenge kahle juice yakho. While you add it, you can also grab a spoon ukuze upress kahle, ensuring that you get your juices out. But otherwise, if you have a cloth, you can use a cloth ukuze ukhame kahle. Then after that, you can store your juice using your preferred storage container. Kuwena-ke uthi ekuseni you take them as shots or you take it as a normal juice eglassini. But nje angifuni ungasho, after 7 days your skin will thank you. In fact, your whole body. Khumbule phela ukuthi beetroot uyalibuyisa igazi. Anywho, if you enjoyed watching this video, please like and follow if you still want to see more. Bye.